morning students, welcome to your computer class. So today we are going to start our new lesson, that is lesson 2, and the name of that lesson is More on Windows 7. As we have already completed our lesson 1, that is computer languages, during our classes when we were at school. So let's start with our lesson 2 for today. So here we have our lesson 2. Now before I start the lesson, I just want to ask you all just 3 questions over here, that which application can we use or do we use to listen to any songs or watch any movies in a computer? Okay, so what would you be telling me? Like, we have different types of programs which we can use, or applications which we can use for listening to songs, all right, or even watch movies in a computer, apart from doing the important works in a computer which we use for typing or for calculating, right? Then my second question is that now, can we use a computer for entertainment purpose? Now yes, we use computers for entertainment purpose. Then you have to give me some names for doing so, some programs or application programs for doing so. And we can say that we have Windows Media Player, or we can say VLC Media Player, then QuickTime Player, okay, Real Time Player, which are Windows Media Center, okay, which are different application programs which are used for entertainment programs or purposes. Like, we can watch movies over there, or we can listen to different songs, or even radio stations from all over the world if we have internet connection. All right, now can we record our own voice in a computer? Do you think we can record our own voice in the computer? Yes, it is very true. Yes, we can record our voice in the computer. And how we can record our voice? With the help of a microphone. Yes, so these are my 3 questions before we start our class for today. Now let us move to the learning outcome of our today's class. So here we have the learning outcome of our today's class. Now in our today's class, we will cover the topic what is Windows Media Player, and then how to rip and burn a CD or a DVD. Okay, please remember, rip means to save from the data from a CD to a computer, and burn means from saving data from a computer to a CD. All right, and let's start our class for today. So here we have the video over here, what is Windows Media Player and how we can rip and burn a CD. So let's start the class. So here we have our second chapter, that is More on Windows 7. So here as we know that Windows is an operating system, it has got many utility programs, okay, for our day-to-day applications and for our entertainment purpose as well. And these utility programs are the additional programs which are known as accessories. For example, we can say a calculator, which is used for calculation, notepad for typing, right? Then Windows Media Player for entertainment purpose. Then we have a sound recorder, which is helpful for recording sounds, and different system tools are there in accessories. All right. Then here we have let's know more that Windows 8 is the latest version. Actually, Windows 8 is not the latest version. Windows 10 is, or 10 Pro is the latest version which we have, the operating system. All right, now let's start with Windows Media Player. What is Windows Media Player? Now Windows Media Player, it runs and it plays and organizes the digital media files, both audio and video, which is available in our computer memory. Okay, digital file means all audio, all songs or all videos are digital media files, and even we can listen to radio stations from all over the world if we have internet connection. Now this software, that is the Windows Media Player, helps us to play or even copy and create our own CDs and DVDs, and we can even copy the music to different portable devices. It can be an external hard disk or through a pen drive. Now let us learn how to copy CD, that means data from the CD to our computer, which we call it as RIP, R-I-P. Now we can copy songs, okay, whatever favorite songs you have, you can copy from your CDs or DVDs onto your computer, and with the help of Windows Media Player. Now when we copy, that is when we rip music, okay, we are copying songs from our CD, whatever CD or a DVD, to your computer. And after the songs has been copied to our computer, what we can do is we can use Windows Media Player program to play and listen to our songs. All right, and we can even create playlists, our favorite music, our playlist, and then we can even copy the music to different portable devices. Now for doing so, what we have to do is we have to click on the start button, as you can see on the screen, and then we have to click on all programs, and then we have to choose Windows Media Player from the above list. And then what we have to do is we have to insert an audio CD in the CD drive, And as you insert an audio CD, you will find the contents of the CD and the list of the songs which are there in that particular CD. And from there you will find these are the different tracks, that is the songs which is available in the CD. And from that, what you have to do is you just check the boxes, just give a tick mark to the boxes, and you can see there that these are the songs which are selected. Okay, now after selecting, after using the check boxes at the top of the list, what you have to do is to just click on the all the checkbox, clear all the checkbox. That means all the songs will be selected as it. Okay, and when you are done with the selection process, what you have to do is to just click on the rip CD icon over there. As you click on the rip CD icon, the ripping process, that is the copying process from the songs from the CD will get copied to the computer. Okay, now if you think that you want to stop copying some songs, you can same way you can stop the ripping process at any point by clicking on the stop rip button. Okay, and then you can again click on the rip settings if you want to change the format of your audio, okay, from MP3 to MP4, okay, or any quality of the rip music files. And you can also keep the default Windows media format, okay, whatever it was, if you don't want to change the settings. And then you will find that the songs are ripped, that is copied to the Windows media player library. And then what you can do is you can, after the songs get ripped, that is copied, what you get to your computer, you can go to the library and then you can play them and enjoy them. All right, then next topic we have is about how, let's know a fact file. A small fact file we have here is, that is MPEG, which we pronounce as MPEG, which stands for, please remember and underline in your textbook, which you will find, that is Moving Pictures Experts Group. Okay, MPEG 7, and it is the latest generation technology which is always in a container format, okay, for multimedia content. And in this format we find video files, audio files, and subtitles, and even still images. And this particular format works, okay, using the data streaming, that is by transmitting the data streams to the receiving device. Okay, and these files have the extension as .mp7. okay. Then here we have a small tip over here, please underline in your textbook, okay, from where you may get questions, that here we have certain softwares. Okay, you can also burn a CD using a software like Neuro, Express Burn, etc. Okay, that means how we can burn a CD. Okay, let's start how to copy data from the CD. Okay, sorry, to a CD, that is from the computer to a CD. Now saving information, okay, as you want to save information in a pen drive, as you save information way, we can save information on a CD as well, and it is as easy as saving on a hard disk. Okay, for that what we have to do is we can even create our own CD or DVD by selecting a folder of software or any media files. Okay, and at the same time we can just click on it and we can drag it without leaving the mouse to the CD or DVD icon in the computer. So first of all, for that we have to insert a CD in a computer, and as you insert a CD, the autoplay dialog box will appear on the desktop, and you can see, just click on the burn files to disks. Okay, so this option you have to click using the Windows Explorer option. So as you click on it, you will see another dialog box, burn a disk dialog box will appear on the screen, and there you have to give the name of the CD. Okay, the name of the CD here is given as songs, and then you have to just click on the next option. So as you click on the next option, you will see we are going to get an empty disk folder. Okay, open, and from there what we are going to do, we are going to drag the files which you want to burn in this folder. That means you want to save in that particular CD folder. Okay, so on the toolbar you have to just click on burn to disk button, and then you have to follow the steps. All right, and then all the songs from your computer will get saved to your CD. Then here we have a small let's know more, that under the all programs, under the accessories option, we find the sound recorder which can be used to record our sounds with the help of a microphone. Okay, please underline in your textbook, and remember that under all programs, under accessories option, we have a option which we call a sound recorder, and with this particular sound recorder we can record our own voice or our own sound in a computer with the help of a microphone. Okay, so this is all about our today's topics. Now let us move to the important words for our today's class. Okay, so here I have the two important words for our today's class, that is RIP, RIP. Okay, so RIP, RIP means what? To copy data from a CD or a DVD onto a computer. Okay, that is called as rip, and that whole process of copying is called as ripping. And burn means just the opposite, that is to save the data from the computer to a CD or DVD. Okay, so please remember what is meant by rip and what is meant by burn. All right, so these are the two important words for our today's class. Now let's move to the time to test. Okay, so here I have 3 questions for you. So one is application based question and rest 2 are from your textbook, which you are going to do it as your home assignment. Okay, and submit me in the Google Classroom. So number 1 we have here is that Sarita wants to record her voice into the computer. Now which device will you suggest her to use to perform the operation? Okay, so this one you are going to write. And then what do you understand by Windows Media Player? And differentiate between ripping and burning features. So same, what is rip and what is burn. Okay, these two features you have to write down. Okay, so these 3 questions are for your home assignment for today. Now let us summarize the topics which we covered in our today's class. So here we have the summary of our today's class. So additional programs on a computer. Okay, so after you install an operating system in your computer, okay, some additional programs or utility programs also get installed along with the operating system. Okay, and these programs are known as what? Accessories. All right, and for example you can give me the names of Notepad, Windows Media Player, calculator, sound recorder. All these comes under accessories. These are the default programs or utility programs which you find in your computer. And under that we have Windows Media Player, okay, which is an application program which is used for running means to play and to organize digital media files. As I have already told you, all audio and video files which is available in the computer are called as digital media files. All right, and this software, that is Windows Media Player, helps us to play, okay, and then we can also copy and create CDs and DVDs, and at the same time we can also copy music and video to different portable devices. So portable devices, you can say a hard disk or external hard disk or a pen drive. These are all portable devices. Okay, then we have the next is ripping, okay, which means that copying songs from a CD to a computer. How we can copy songs from a CD to a computer? So we can copy songs, our favorite songs, from a CD to a computer, or we can even copy songs from our favorite music CDs and DVDs onto our computer. And burning means just the opposite of ripping, that is saving important information on a CD or DVD. Okay, from where you will save it? From the computer. And rip means from the CD to the computer, and burning means from the computer to the CD. Okay, so this is all about our today's class. Thank you everyone. So after this video you have your home assignment which will be in Google Classroom. Please check, all right, and do your homework. Do with nice handwriting and keep learning. All right, thank you. Have a nice day.